Welcome to John Lewis 3D Learning. In this presentation of Fun Maths Mathemagic series, we are going to see multiplication of a 3-digit number by another 3-digit number mentally in just 5 seconds. So let's take this example 802 multiplied by 697. Can you do it without writing any intermediate step? Can you give the answer in one single step? So this is the answer. If you want to verify, you can use your calculator and verify it first. Then we will learn how to do it. So there is another method to verify without your calculator, that is called digit sum method. So if you know that method, you can use the digit sum method and verify whether this answer is correct or not in just 1 or 2 seconds. So that method I have explained in the same channel, that is John Lewis 3D Learning, under the name multiplication verification by digit sum method. If you are interested, you can watch that video also. Now let us come back here. 802 multiplied by 697. How this can be done in a single step? So what's the secret? So this method is called crisscross multiplication. First we need to write the 3 digits of the first number, and below which you write the 3 digits of the second number. Now we have to multiply these two numbers and give the answer straight away in single line without writing any intermediate steps. How this can be done? This can be done in 5 steps. So in step number 1, we need to multiply only the first 2 digits. And we have to put down the first number. The second number should be carried over to the second step. Now in the second step, we need to do the cross multiplication. That is why it is known as crisscross multiplication. So the second digit of the first number is multiplied with the first digit of the second number and vice versa. The second digit of the second number is multiplied with first digit of the first number. So after multiplying these two, you need to sum them up, cross multiply and add them together. And whatever the answer you get, along with that you need to add any carryover from step 1 is there. That also should be added up here. That's it. Now the third step is you need to do 3 cross multiplication. That is, so the picture represents everything. No, I need not say which digit. So this number is multiplied with this number is multiplied with this number, and these two numbers should be multiplied. Now we get 3 products. 3 pairs are multiplied and we are getting 3 products, and sum them up, and along with that you add any carryover from step number 2. Now what is the fourth step? Only leave out this digit and we need to multiply only the last 2 digits crosswise. This with this with this, and whatever the product we are getting, sum them up, and along with that add any carryover from step number 3. Now the last step, leave out this digit also, take only the last 2 digits, multiply only the last 2 digits, whatever the product you are getting, along with that you add the carryover from step number 4. That's it. Now let us try to multiply the same number what we had seen in the first slide. 802 multiplied by 697. Can we apply those 5 steps and do it mentally to arrive at the answer or to derive the answer? So what is the step number 1? So we have to multiply only these two numbers. 2 sevens are 14. What's a carryover? 1. Remember it. Don't write it down. Always try to remember it. So these things we have to do mentally. Only then our short-term memory will improve. So 2 sevens are 14. Carryover is 1. Second step, these two, 0 into 7 is 0. 9 twos are 18. So 18 plus 0 is 18. And in the previous step, the carryover was 1. So 18 plus 1 is 19. The carryover is 1. Try to remember it. Now let's move on to the third step. 8 sevens are 56. 6 into 2, 12. So 56 plus 12, 68. 9 into 0 is 0. Therefore 68 plus 0 is 68. The carryover in the second step was 1. Therefore 68 plus 1 is 69. Therefore we have put down 6. The carryover is 6. Remember it, carryover is 6. Now let's move on to step number 4. Leave out this, only the last 2 digits should be cross multiplied. 8 nines are 72, 6 zeros are 0. Therefore 72 plus 0 is 72. The previous step, the carry over was 6. 72 plus 6 is 78. Therefore, we have put down 8 here. The carry over is 7. Try to remember the carry over is 7. Now the last step is multiply only the last two digits. 8, 6 are 48. The carry over in the fourth step was 7. So 48 plus 7 is 55. Now we have put down the 55 here. So no more digits to multiply. That is why 55. We have written it down here, and this is the end of the sum. Now again you can verify using your calculator or by using digit sum method. Hope you like it. If you like it, please click the thumbs up button, share it with your friends without fail. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done it already. Thank you very much for watching. Until we meet next time with another interesting topic. Bye bye.